Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer a design to another Canva account. Whether we are switching accounts or sharing our work with someone else, we will walk through the simple steps to do this in Canva. In the Canva dashboard, let's say this is our project and we want to share it with another account. All we need to do is click Share in the upper right corner. From here, we just need to add people by entering their username, group, or email address. Let's use an email address as an example. We type in the email and then click Share. This sends an invitation to let the other person know we want to share the project. Once the invitation is accepted, we can adjust the permissions. We can choose whether the person can edit, can comment, or can only view the project. After accepting, the person can now view the project, or we can go ahead and transfer ownership to the new account. And that is how we transfer a design to another Canva account. With this method, we can easily share or move our work without losing any progress.